my channel Beauties from this side Veronica, and in today's video I'm going to tell you about how you can remove your dark circles permanently. This is something I got many requests from you guys that please tell us how we can remove the dark circles permanently. So this is something which will surely gonna work. So beauties, without delaying, let's get started. And first of all, let me tell you about the ingredients. Ingredients are so affordable. What you need: 2 slices of cucumber, as you can see, and vitamin E oil. You can take any brand of vitamin E oil which is available at your place. Seriously, trust me, you just need these 2 ingredients and your dark circle is going to be removed permanently. So I think let's get started. So beauties, what you have to do, take 1 capsule of vitamin E oil, put it on your palm, and then just apply it on your under eyes like this. Now what you have to do, take 2 slices of cucumber and put it like this on your eyes and and leave it for 20 minutes like this only. Leave it for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes you have to remove this slices of cucumber, and the most important thing beauties, you do not have to wipe it. No, don't wash your face, don't do anything. Just go for sleep as it is and leave this overnight, and next day wash your face like with your normal face wash and water. This is something which will gonna remove your dark circles permanently, trust me, because cucumber is so soothing for your eyes and vitamin E oil is best in removing all the dark circles and dark spots and everything. So this is something which you have to do regularly before going to sleep. Just make sure you do it regularly. In just 3 days guys, in just 3 days you will start seeing the difference, and I'm sure about it. So beauty, just go and try this home remedy for your dark circles, and I'm pretty sure this will gonna work. Just comment it in the comment section, try it, and please comment it that how it works for you guys. And if you have any query regarding this, just comment it in the comment section. I love you so much guys. Please subscribe my channel. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Do follow me on Instagram. Bye and take care.